Put them all over Daddy's car. Hmm. Yep. Let's walk around the back side. Oh, it fell. And I think there's some over there by the window. It's okay, just put it in your basket.
Okay, chocolate? Chocolate, Mommy?
Yeah? I think that's all there is, honey. What do you think? Look at Mama. Is there another one?